Okay, welcome back friends. Welcome back in another video tutorial for microbiology with Shagni. From that video tutorial, we are going to start a new chapter on biotechniques and application, that is spectroscopy. Okay, this spectroscopy is going to help us to measure the concentration of any biological samples. Okay, it can be DNA, it can be protein, it can be anything. So we are going to discuss about various kind of spectroscopy one by one. So in that introductory video, I am going to discuss about which or what is spectroscopy. That means the definition of spectroscopy is our topic of discussion of today's class. So let's start with this diagram. So suppose let's consider that thing as a light or electromagnetic radiation source. Okay, and this is a matter. So light or energy will imparting on the matter. Okay, so now what will happen? There can be three conditions that can happen. Okay, some of the light or energy will just passes out the matter. Then this kind of conditions are called scattering. Some of the light can be emitted back towards the some of the light can be emitted back towards the source. Okay, so this kind of thing are called emission, and some of them can be directly absorbed on the molecule. This phenomenon is called absorption. So three kind of thing can be occur when a energy source or light source emits when energy source or light source imparts light or energy or electromagnetic radiation on matter. Okay, now the study of the interaction between the electromagnetic radiations, those electromagnetic radiation and the matter are called our spectroscopy. Okay, so there are three kind of interaction that can occur. The matter can absorb the electromagnetic radiation, the matter can emit it, or the matter can simply perform scattering. Okay, not the matter, or here in that case the electromagnetic radiation simply performs scattering. Okay, so with the help of measuring the absorption, emission and scattering, we can get a raw idea about the identity of that material. Not only that, we can find out by measuring the total amount of radiation the emitting atom or absorbed atom, the number of emitting atom or molecule or absorbed atom or molecule. That means what? That means simply the spectroscopy is both quantitative and qualitative procedure. So with the help of which we can measure the concentration of DNA, with the help of which we can measure the concentration of protein or any other biological samples. So let's learn the definition that I have discussed with you diagrammatically. That spectroscopy is the study of interaction between electromagnetic radiation and matter. Okay, that means study of absorption, scattering and emission of a matter is called electromagnetic spectroscopy. The matter can be atom, molecule or ion. The nature of the interaction between radiation and matter may include absorption, emission or scattering. So it is the absorption, emission or scattering by matter that is used to quantitatively or qualitatively study the matter or a physical process. Okay, so a study of the radiation absorbed or emitted by an atom or molecule will give information about its identity. I have told you that with the help, it is a qualitative approach as well as a quantitative approach too, and the measurement of total amount of radiation can tell us what amount of atom has absorbed the electromagnetic radiation along with what amount of atom has simply emitted the electromagnetic radiation. right? So it is both a quantitative and I should say it is both qualitative measurement. So that was the first video regarding spectroscopy. So spectroscopy is nothing but the interaction between the electromagnetic radiation and the matter. Okay, so this kind of interaction can be of three types. One is absorption, another one is scattering, another one is our emission. Okay, so now with the help of studying those interaction, we can both qualitatively and quantitatively measure the matter. Okay, so that is what spectroscopy is. So I hope this video will be helpful to you, and if it is, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like that. And I will again come back with another basic principle that I think we have to clear first, that is electromagnetic radiation. What the term electromagnetic radiation is, that here we are telling. Okay, so there we are going to talk about the wavelength, the frequency, the wave number, all that stuff, and the Planck constant too, that is E equal to h mu, we are going to discuss in our upcoming video. So till then friends, bye bye.